Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how that SPCM World token. Now before you start the video, let's say a legal disclaimer. This video is only for advice for your research for the investing according to the white paper. SPACEM where anyone can monetize their content by converting into NFTs, engage in play to earn games, and experience seamless crypto fiat integration all in one place. SPACEM is the limited decision for the Web3 community. SPCM nodes, NFTs, and the scam token that SPCM token serves as the foundation of the SPCM ecosystem and is generated daily by owning a SPCM node. NFT offer substantial benefits, including a constant flow of SPCM token for the next 5 years and exclusive perk within the SPCM ecosystem, such as access to VIP groups and additional privileges to earn the money on SPACEM platform. SPACEM token are essential, driving strong and sustained demand for token in the long term due to its unique tokenomics and distribution mechanism. The SPCM token is extremely scarce. SPACEM World project institution rating is 4.4 and this project audited by Rating and Henken. SPACEM per token total supply is around 42.558 billion and submitting supplies around 9.2 billion. SPACEM token. Space World token is listed on MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a pleasant or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Let's go.